Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Shopify store visible on Google. First, ensure your store is indexed by search engines. Verify your site with Google Search Console and submit your sitemap. Next, conduct thorough keyword research to identify terms relevant to your products and target audience. Use these terms naturally throughout your store content. Finally, prioritize a fast-loading, mobile-responsive theme, as this significantly impacts search rankings and user experience for all visitors. Now, let's focus on optimizing your individual product pages. Each product needs a unique, compelling title and meta description, incorporating your target keywords. Aim for descriptions that are at least 300 words, providing value and answering potential customer queries. Don't forget image optimization. Use descriptive alt text for every product image, helping search engines understand your visuals and improving accessibility. Beyond on-page elements, technical and off-page SEO are crucial. Ensure your store's structure is clean, with no broken links or 404 errors. Focus on acquiring high-quality backlinks from authoritative sites. These act as votes of confidence for your store. Also, implement a strong internal linking strategy, connecting related products and collections to improve navigation and distribute link equity across your site. Finally, making your store visible is an ongoing process. Regularly review your performance data in Google Analytics and Search Console to understand what's working. Adapt your keyword strategy as trends evolve and new opportunities arise. Consistently update your product listings, add fresh blog content, and engage with your audience. This continuous effort will help maintain and improve your store's search engine visibility over time.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.